everybody, we are in the kitchen and today we are organizing this pantry. It's been 3 years since I've organized it and it looks terrible. So that's what we're going to do today. Now you'll see that there are a couple of little organizing doohickeys that's on the door. These were already here. I did not purchase these, but I'm going to remove them today because I'm going to add this Closet Maid adjustable wall and door rack that I picked up from Target. So hopefully this is going to help me get organized even the more. Now I paid $39.99, $40 for it, but it is on their website for $35.99, and I will link that below in the description box, okay? So I'm going to put this together, and it's real easy. It looks real easy to assemble, and the only, I think the only screwing I will need to do is when I attach it to the door, well, other than the two little hooks at the top, the very top, I'll have to screw those together. But other than that, everything else just kind of hooks in together, and then if I want to secure it to the door, I'll screw those hooks in too. So we're going to use this, and if you guys have seen my recent extended pantry organization video where I'm utilizing my hall closet for pantry space as well, I'll link that up here, somewhere up here, so you can check that out if you'd like. But there's really more pantry stuff in there than I would like to have in there. So I'm hoping that once I kind of get this together, then I have to do my cabinets as well. Once I get these two spaces organized and cleaned out, then hopefully it will create more space and I can take some of that stuff from the hall and bring it in here, because I would like to utilize my hall closet for some of my entertainment stuff. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking everything out of this closet. Y'all, this is getting ready to be a task. I'm going to take everything out and get it on the countertop. Of course, I need to look at everything, see what's expired, what we need to get rid of, and give it a good, wipe down. But let me show you how terrible it looks up close. So this is how it looks now. Stuff is all over on the side. And I still love my little baskets, and my plan right now is to use them still. But hey, once you get to going through stuff, anything is liable to change. So I don't know what I'll end up with. I'm just going to go through everything and then figure out exactly what I want to do. Because honestly, y'all, truth be told, sometimes baskets take up more space. In other words, sometimes you can actually store more if you get rid of the baskets. But I don't think I'm going to do that because I like them and I think they're cute. So we're just going to start by getting everything cleaned out. Why are you in my camera?
Hey YouTube, it's dude number 2 here. Once again, something like dude number 1. So what you want to do is you want to take this, right?
Sir.
And you want to put it right here, right? And then you want to take this and put it about right there.
Excuse me.
That's necessary.
I just took
hey,
that.
Mom, I'm trying to reorganize the camera.
I'm gonna need you to get out.
Hey, I'm trying to reorganize. Thank you. So then you want to take this right here. You want to take
And
this
everything
first.
you're putting back in there, I'm getting ready. You gonna take it right back out.
And you want to take the ziti right here, right? And you is that how you pronounce it?
Yeah, honey, I was getting ready to do the floor.
Oh, you
so
right.
I'm gonna need you to take that stuff
Oh,
back out.
that's okay. So then take this and put it on the floor then. Okay, cool, right there. Oh, so much more space. I can already tell.
Dude number 2. The end. Would you please put my stuff down so I can get back to
Okay,
my
Mom, you
video?
can't say I never tried to help you.
You part of the reason why the pantry looking crazy now
you can
anyway.
never say I never tried to help you. I tried to help you. You didn't want my help. That's fine. Don't worry about it. I'm going to be all right, okay?
Oh, man, where all this stuff come from?
Out this pantry. Out this little pantry.
I mean, you would look at us and think we just... Hey, you
Crazy.
find more,
And then we have all that stuff in the extended pantry. I say, no, I'm trying to eliminate some of that.
find more stuff than I mean, dang.
That's why I wasn't ready to do this, because I knew it was going to be a task.
You know, I think you're trying to say, what is... I mean, our house look real clean and nice and chill.
Should
You
I take
start
everything
cleaning
out?
up stuff and then you look like...
You got to take stuff out to clean stuff up.
Well-
And if you and dude number 2 are kept it organized, then maybe I wouldn't be doing this.
Hold on, I hear my TV calling.
But yeah, your TV calling. That figures. You and your TV seem to be best friends. The task is done. And I would like to explain some of the placement of the items and let you know my thought process and the reason why I do certain things. And I was able to get several things out of my extended pantry in the hallway and bring them in here, and I expect to be able to get even more once I do my kitchen cabinets. And you'll notice everything on the top row, it is all things breakfast. So all of my dry cereals, there's some pancake mix back there in the back behind the grits. I have the cereal and then all of the syrups. Next we have all of my paper plates to the left, and those are some extra napkins and my tuna or anything seafood. So the tuna, the salmon is there, and right beside that in the canisters, the jar canisters, you'll see the pasta. And then I had several of them, so I just wanted to use them. I added the sunflower seeds and then the tea bags in there. And if you'll remember, in the extended pantry I had the little extra chewy bars that were out for my due number 2, and I was able to get all of those in here. And then next we have in the basket to the far right, everything salad. So I have salad dressings, the fixings or the bacon flavored bits for salads. There's vinegar, and even in the back there's some, if I wanted to add some cherries on my salad, or even some raisins. So that's what's in this basket. And then here we have, ironically enough, I had just gone to Sam's and had purchased the Kraft macaroni, so that's why I have so many boxes of that. We love the homemade macaroni, but a lot of times my dudes number 1 and 2, they love to just open up a box of Kraft, and that works for them. Then the basket to the far left, you see we have chili, any type of like the tomato paste, any type of sauces like tomato, basil, garlic. This is for spaghetti, and then salsa. So that's what's in there. And you see I have my Ziploc bags and oven cooking bags because everything wouldn't fit on the door. The next row you see all of the crackers, and then in the middle, I guess it's like all things condiments. We have ketchup for days. That dude number 2 eats ketchup like it's going out of style. Ketchup, mustard, tartar sauce, barbecue sauce. Then in the gray basket to the far right, we have all things bread. So we have the croutons and then any type of bread that I keep in here. In the very bottom, we have all of the chips that are hanging. And even if I have some extra cereal, because I usually purchase the cereal that's in those large bags. So if all of the cereal will not fit in my canisters up here, then what's left over, I'll take the bag and fold it down really good and hang it here along with the chips. Also, these 2 bins I was able to get out of the extended pantry, and I was able to bring the water in here. And originally, I don't know if you remember that basket that was on the very top of this shelf that had the chips in it. I've since moved that to the bottom on the floor. And then over here we just have the broom and dustpan that's hanging up over here with the bags. And to the door, this I was able to utilize so much space. So you can tell that top row is all things rice and noodles. Then I just have my seasoning packets, some more rice and seasonings. That next row is nothing but popcorn. Then I have the drink mixes for the water flavorings. My dudes, they love Country Time lemonade. And then we have the Jell-O and the little snacks right there. They're so convenient. Little crackers and stuff. They're so convenient for my husband to just grab as he's stuffing stuff in his lunchbox. Then I decided to put some of evaporated milk and the sweetened condensed milk there, and then my Reynolds wrap and cling wrap and Ziploc freezer bags and things like that on that very bottom shelf. So one thing about this door rack, because it was, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shelves. Some of them I had to put close together, so I had to be very strategic in the items that I added here. But in the end, I think everything worked out great. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this kitchen pantry organization video, and hopefully it has inspired you to get in your pantry, in your kitchen, and just get things organized. And next we're going to move to the kitchen cabinets. So thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time. Bye.